Hello and welcome to ClearTask. If you are trying to log into Telegram and you are stuck on the screen that says, "We've sent the code to the Telegram app on your other device," you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix this issue. This error message simply means your Telegram account is currently active on another device, like an old phone, a tablet, or your computer. If you have that device nearby, the fix is easy. Just open the Telegram app on that older device, find the chat from the official Telegram service account, and type the login code they sent you directly into your new phone. But what if you no longer have access to that old device? Do not worry, look at the bottom of your current login screen. After a short countdown, Telegram will provide an option that says tap to get a code via SMS. Tap that button and you will receive a standard text message to log in. If the SMS option never appears, or the text never arrives, try this proven workaround. Go to your phone settings, find the Telegram app, and clear both its cache and data. Next, check your app store and make sure Telegram is updated to the latest version. Reopen the app and try logging in again. This fresh session usually forces the SMS option to appear. As a final backup, you can download the official Telegram X app from your app store. Many users report that logging in through Telegram X successfully triggers the SMS or phone call verification when the main app gets stuck. That is it. If this method helped you get your account back, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.